What's up, YouTube? So I just did my makeup and now I wanted to do my hair, and basically I wanted to recreate this look. Let me find it. Like that hairstyle. Only thing is that I tried finding these clips again and I only found 2. So instead of using those, I'm gonna use these like silver ones. But yeah, basically the rest is gonna be the same though. My hair is like 2 or 3 days old, so ignore it. Don't say a word. But first, I'm gonna start by brushing it. It's so late right now. It's literally midnight. I don't know why I'm making a video right now. I literally had all day to make this video, but I didn't do shit all day. And now I finally have some energy, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, so basically, you wanna start by parting your hair all the way down the middle, because you're basically gonna wanna make like pigtails. And you can use a comb if you need to, but I'm gonna just use my nails because they're like these little claws. But just so I can keep things organized, I'm gonna tie this up into a ponytail. These nails are so cute, but they literally pull on everything. Honestly, like, they're adorable. Like, I love them. I cannot wait to get rid of them, I'm telling you. Because they've been like catching on to my clothes. They've been destroying literally everything. I literally have like scratch marks on my back from just like trying to put clothes on, and then like this part like scratching me. So then we're also gonna like split a little triangle up front, like to create like the bangs. So I'm gonna do it like that. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side, and you wanna try to make them as even as possible. And then I'm just gonna like clip this to the side so I can see what's going on. I'm gonna tie it up with another hair tie, basically something like that. I have like these goody hair ties, but honestly I feel like they pull and I don't really like how they feel in my hair. So instead I always use these ones. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. And you wanna, this side looks ugly, look at that bump. What I was trying to say is you wanna try to keep the ponytails as even as possible, like placement wise, like on your head. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna go in with this Moroccan oil hairspray. And then just smooth everything down, especially like these edges because they like to look crazy. And then for this part, I like to kind of like, as if you were rolling it into a space bun, you kind of want to do the same thing, but you want to make it like a really messy and like loose space bun. So I wrap it around twice and I keep like the little like tail like poking up, and then I clip it with a claw clip, and then you can kind of just play around with the hair and like decide what you want to like leave up and what you don't. For the original hairstyle, I had smaller ones, but I also can't find those, which makes me really sad. This is still really cute. And then same thing on the other side. I don't have another clear one, so we're just gonna use a blonde one. That's what this is looking like. I don't know, I really like it. I feel like it's like a cuter version of like the space buns, and it's like a little bit like Y2k theme. It's honestly like really simple, which if you know me, hair is not something I like to do, so simple is like the best. But since my bangs aren't straight, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten them. For the hair straightener, I'm using this cheese straightener. It's like the Barbie collab. I don't know if you can see it on the plate, but it's pink and it's really, really cute. And it works really good, and I feel like it leaves your hair like super shiny. And it doesn't pull, so that's amazing. I just realized I forgot edge control. I'm gonna have to like lay down my edges because they look crazy sometimes. And then if you do want to do your edges, make sure you just clip your hair out of the way. And then I also like can't find my edge brush, but I'm gonna just use this. I think it's like a boar bristle brush, but it's like this one. And I'll just brush out my baby hairs because I have a lot. I love using this eco gel. It's the cannabis sativa oil, black castor oil, and olive oil one. Looks like this. It smells so good. Like honestly, this one is like my favorite one of all time. I got it in Switzerland like a year ago and it's literally like almost empty. But I haven't been able to find it here in the States, so if you do find it, tag it. Like look how much neater this side looks compared to this side. And these would look better if I actually was using like a toothbrush or like an edge brush, but this is literally all I have right now. And then just to add like more of like a y2k style, I'm gonna go in with these clips and I'm gonna create like a little X. Yeah, that's literally all I did for this look. I think it's really cute. Matter of fact, let's compare. Tell me it's not the same. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's honestly like a really quick, easy hairstyle. And you can do it on old hair and it's like you would never know that this is old hair, you know? It's like another alternative. A lot of people like to do like the slick back hair, which I love to do that also, but sometimes I'm not really like in the mood for like an actual bun, so I feel like this is like a cute little like alternative to that. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you recreate it, and if you do, don't forget to tag me. Anyways, love you guys. See you in my next video.